Welcome back to Anything That Moves. Here I am, Miss Moneymaker, and we're going to get into it today. We're going to talk about AMD. I'm going to tell you about my hidden gem stock, okay? You got to look at that because that's outperforming AMD and NVIDIA, all right? So stick around for that because it's outperforming. You know, we got to look at a lot of things. Some things that's making money, they're not even talking about. So anyway, AMD, because AMD, look at this screen right here. Okay, let me just move my marker over. Alrighty, got the marker. AMD right here, putting in a double top. Okay, I bought dips when AMD was going down the last, I don't know, a couple of weeks or whatever. But anyway, I bought in today around $161. Sold a little bit. Let's see. I have to look. I've been in and out of so many different things. I have to look at my little notes. Sold a little bit at 163. So like a $2 move. Okay. Trading. And so then I'm still holding, of course. So I'm still holding some, riding off here to this little sunset. So let's see if it could break above this little double top. And it is. Yes, we're doing it, people. So now let's look at AMD on, hold on, let's change the time frame. All right. I want you to see it on the daily. I'm going to show you a lot of things in this video. Here is the AMD on the daily time frame. Okay. So this is a different look. See up here, it says that's the D. That's the daily. Because why are we looking at it here? From where we're at right now, we can go, if we break through the resistance that we will meet along the way, because nothing ever goes straight up. If we go back, okay, see, I'm connecting it to this area, right? Where this red candle was. If we go back up to that high, look at the blue box where it's floating, right? The floating blue box. The third line, 27%. So we can gain 27%. Now, you see how much space AMD has that it can run? It has a lot more space than NVIDIA, because I'm going to show you NVIDIA too, towards, in this video. NVIDIA is like near the top. I'm watching NVIDIA in another screen. There's 6 screens here going on. Okay, you see one. There's 6 screens. So I'm watching AMD, Apple, Tesla, and other screens as well. So let's just keep moving on. Let's go on. All righty. Before I move on, I just wanted to make this clear. So remember on the other time frame where I said AMD is having like a double top. It's because of, see this little line here too? Okay, this little purple line, 50-day moving average. It has to clear that. It's bumping its little head up. It's like a little resistance there because some people may sell around there, right? So that's pretty much at $170. See? So that's where we have a little hesitancy there. So this level. So we may bounce a little bit down. That's what I was showing you on this other time frame. See, so we're having a little resistance here. It's because there's really another moving average above it on a higher time frame. Okay, so that's what some people are looking at. So now this is AMD. Some people like to watch it, look at it this way. This is on TradingView. Alrighty, so this is AMD. Here we go. The performance for the week, the month, 3 months is down for 3 months. We're down 7%. Okay. This is 6 months, year to date and year. Okay. So now, right now, technically, look, see, it's a buy. We're looking at the right side of the screen here. It's a buy for the technicals. That's why I'm in it because technically speaking, it's time. It's go time, people. It's a little bit of a go time right now. And then, as you know, what the analysts are saying and everything and where we can go. So price target, they're saying $191. Okay. Yeah, maybe so, whatever. But remember, things don't just go straight up. We could dip down a little bit. We have to clear this area and then we can try to make it up to this level. We'll probably have resistance around 200 because it's another big whole number, psychological resistance, and people will probably do some selling and things like that. So we have a ways to go. We have a little ways to go. So let's just keep moving on. So we know AMD for the year to date, what are we? Okay. Year to date, we're here, 61%. So what is the Easter egg doing? The hidden stock, look, MOD. All right. So we were just for MOD, ticker symbol MOD. Okay. Check this company out. Do a little homework about it. Right here, it made a top, right? When it came to this area, same thing I'm talking about AMD right now, it chopped around a little bit. It was a little bit of resistance, but we're above that right now. Okay. What's another reason why I'm talking about that? I'm looking for my paper. MOD is going into earnings soon. Okay. Next earning report. Look at this right here. 5 days. Let me turn this to green because this thing makes money. Why am I talking about this? Why do you even care? Okay. I'll tell you why you care. Hold on. Okay, this is why you care. Look at this for the year. Look at that. Do you see it? Let me get my marker right here. 439%. Hold on, because some people didn't hear me. 400, over 400% people. Yes, 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 yes. That's big. Look at that. Look at that. Let's take that in. Okay, so do a little bit of homework and look how nice that graph moves up. Okay, let's get back into business. This is what I'm here for. This is what gets me excited. Something like that. So do a little bit of homework. We have earnings, like I said, coming up in 5 days. Holding your position through earnings is always a gamble. Okay, we can hit earnings and then we can sell off, even if they report well. Stocks can do that. It doesn't have to correlate. Just because we're one of the sexiest stocks ever right now, outperforming NVIDIA, for the year. Okay, for where we're at right now. Okay, outperforming AMD here, looking all sexy. It does, but NVIDIA may take the win at the end. I'm just saying, this is up here though. You can't. I mean, come on. You cannot say 433% past year to date is not nothing, right? But be careful holding through earnings, and you want to buy on support when you do this kind of thing, like down here in this level, or maybe here. We'll talk about another video, but I want you to have this on your radar because this is sexy and it's been proven itself time and time again. Now, Big Daddy. NVIDIA is probably a woman, okay? Let's just be honest, because the name ends in an A, so it's probably like NVIDIA, A, female, feminine, Spanish language and things like that. So here we go. NVIDIA is looking good. Alrighty. And so we topped here before, and here we are now. So this is why we're having a little bit of a problem, because when we get to these areas, sometimes we come back down and we come back down. So it's going to be resistance here because a lot of people are taking profits here. All right. So now it's at 6 days for NVIDIA. Okay, be careful. So hopefully it could edge all the way above and break through. This is the tippy top all the way up here. So this hold on, let me just look at another chart. It's $974 is pretty much the tippy top. Okay, so right now I see in the video on my other chart is still charging ahead since we're going into earnings. This is a good play into earnings. But remember, holding through earnings is always, you're rolling the dice. Even if NVIDIA says, oh yeah, we discovered a cure for cancer, it doesn't mean it won't sell off on earnings, okay? And then recover later, because this is just how the market is. Don't even try to make sense of it. So just go with it. We react as it happens, after it happens, but don't always say, oh yeah, this is guaranteed. Nothing's ever guaranteed, okay? Except that I'm going to make money and you are too. That's guaranteed. Okay, so NVIDIA here for the past year, see, 226%. The one I showed you is more than that. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure I brought that to your attention. All righty, so I'm going to leave you with something motivational because that's what I do. Okay, I don't have to tell you who this is. This is what Jobs says. Let me just read this. He said, your time is limited. Your time is limited. So do not waste it living someone else's life. That's true, people. A lot of people do that. So let me repeat again. Your time is limited, he said. So do not waste it living someone else's life. Okay? Make money for you, for your family, but make sure you live an authentic life. I want you to be happy. With money, you might as well have some happiness with it as well, right? I'll see you next time or anything that moves. Bye for now. Okay? Until next time.